In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Google Drive from your laptop or PC. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my very best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually find this little search bar down on your computer and type in Task Manager and open it up. Up at the very top where this section says find a name, publisher, or PID search, go ahead and type in Drive. And if you do have Google Drive opened up, you're going to want to go ahead and find it on this list, select it, and then hit in task. We're going to pretend that Microsoft OneDrive is going to be Google Drive for this since I've already done this, but go ahead and select in task and you'll be good to go. From here, go ahead and click on the Windows button down on the search bar, and what you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings, and in this left-hand section, go ahead and find this apps option over here and open it up. From here, go into installed apps, and up at the very top, you're going to see another search bar here. Go ahead and type in Drive again, and then find Google Drive on this list. It's going to be in here. Once again, we're going to pretend that OneDrive is Google Drive for this example, but go ahead and click on these three dots right here on the right, and then press uninstall. Confirm your choice, and when the Windows pop-up does appear, go ahead and press uninstall again, and just wait for that process to finish, and Google Drive is now going to be fully removed from your PC. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.